Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we shall discuss about various career options after graduation. We shall discuss them in details so that it will be helpful for choosing and to know all details about these career options. So first of all, we should know why choosing a right career is essential. All we know time is important, so we cannot lose any opportunity that has been subjected to us. So we have to give respect to time. What is to be done in what age, that has to be done in that age. So if we shall delay the choosing, if we shall delay choosing the right career, it will be very much painful for us in later period. The thing is, world is competitive. So what kind of competition is going on in the world, that we should know. So there are huge number of competition. If you are a graduate, there are so many graduates are there. If you are a intermediate student, so many intermediate students are there. And we know the opportunity and the careers are less in number. So you have to be competitive. We have to be aware about the opportunities that is present in our world, and we should act accordingly, and we should choose our career accordingly. Next is mental peace is much needed. So whatever we choose, that has to be in accordance to our capability, our choice, so that we shall not lose any mental peace. Next, I will say how to choose a career. In my I will explain here what is my concern about this choosing a career. So one has to know about all the available career options. All the available career option means, depending upon his eligibility, depending upon his qualification, depending upon his choice, and all the available career option what are available. Next thing is, uh, from that available career option, one has to select one or two career option depending upon their choice. So first, depending upon qualification, what are the career option, you first know. Then you choose one or two career options as per your choice. Then the next is, the choices made should be related. Whatever choices I will made, one or two or three, whatever, those choices should be related. That means if I want to pursue teachership job, teaching job, then I can choose either teachership or lectureship or professorship likewise. So these things has to be related. If somehow I couldn't become a teacher, then I can research in that topic. So the thing is, these things has to be related. One should not say that I will do research, otherwise I will make my career in sports. So these two are not related. So likewise, the choices made should be related, and out of those choices, one has to be finalized. One choice has to be finalized, and for that choice, one has to make the proper strategy how to achieve that. By any chance, if one fails, then the other choice can help it. So if the choices are not related, then failure will have a large impact, and one could not stand after being failed, after falling. So I'll say one saying in Odia, that is Dhiro Pani Pathar Kate, whose English version is slow and steady wins the race. In my opinion, it doesn't matter whether you are slow or fast, but you have to be steady. You have to be steady. Depending upon your pace, you must go, but you have to be steady to win the race. And yes, it is a race. Next, we shall discuss about these career options: teachership, lectureship, professorship, civil services, research, scientific job, jobs under PSU, jobs under SSC, jobs under banking sector, insurance, railway, defense, entrepreneurship, and many more after completion of these 10. Thank you very much.